No, certainly not. That's not the way it works. It is certainly common, in fact it's almost routine, for both sides to hire business valuation experts. It is done on occasion where both sides will agree on a business valuator and agree to be bound by the value that that person comes up with, so that is an option. But most of the time, parties hire their own business valuation experts if the business has any significant value, and it is always the case that the business valuation experts come up with different values. Business valuation is a very complex undertaking. There are many assumptions that go into that, and the assumptions that can be made have a range of reasonableness. So it's not a strict formula that everyone uses the exact same formula and comes up with the exact same answer. Just like when you get a house appraised, no two appraisers will come up with the exact same number in almost every instance. They have different comparables and different ways of adjusting for those. Same thing in a business valuation, but much more complex. When the court is presented with two different values, it doesn't simply take the average of the two. In most instances, it will look at the two valuations, try to determine from the testimony of the experts why they are different, what factors they assume differently, and the court will make a decision about which is more reasonable given the various differences that they have. The same process happens in settlement discussions. So if I have a value of X and the other side has a value of Y, we try to understand the 3 or 4 or 5 issues that cause that difference and try to either compromise them or understand whose arguments may be stronger on this issue or that issue and come up with an overall value that everyone can agree with. If agreement can't happen, that is really what the court does. They look at the various issues and try to decide which value makes the most sense.